Yo, what up, learning machines? Welcome to this video. This video, we're going to talk about cryptocurrency and adult traffic, how you could just crush it with it, okay? This is Coinbase here. This is my portfolio. Yeah, I'm a crypto investor. I don't know. It's decent. It's pretty good. I am not a crazy crypto investor. I got in this quite a while ago. Currently, it's at the dip when it goes up again, which I know it will. I mainly invested in Ethereum. But anyway, here's the thing. You can earn rewards with Coinbase. You can be an affiliate. Okay, so you can earn $10, but I'm gonna tell you guys how to actually promote Coinbase and to promote other crypto offers that actually convert super high too. So Coinbase is just the biggest. I would say it is the biggest exchange by far. The number one way for sure to promote Coinbase is do YouTube, and we will talk more about how to do that. But you can literally use adult traffic too. So adult traffic is a powerful way. Look, you earn $10 every single time someone puts in over $100 in crypto onto Coinbase, which everyone does who signs up for Coinbase. They put in way more than that most times. Okay, so let's go over here. Okay, so if we go over here, this is Offer Vault. They show you every offer, guys, that's out there, all the offers. So I sorted by crypto, and as you can see, you've got tons of flipping offers here. Okay, so this one right here, Bitcoin system pays out $340, pays out 700, 600. That's really high ticket compared to all other niches. So crypto pays the most out of all the other niches, guys, like by far. So the best ways to actually like crush it with these crypto offers, one of the best ways, is being able to target people exactly based off their interests. Okay, so I will give you guys several ways to do that. But let's keep looking at offers because like this is mind-blowing stuff, like what these offers are. So it looks like most of them look like they're on algo affiliates. So you'd go sign up on algo affiliates to start promoting crypto offers. And by the way, every single time there's a massive trend for crypto, you can bet your butt that literally cryptocurrency offers can skyrocket. You can promote them like crazy. This one pays 1,500 per commission, 66 countries, called Crypto Immediate Edge. All right, no preview available, but it's a star. Let's sort by the highest payout here. Okay, so there's that one, that one, that one. Just crypto trading, it looks like, and maybe some educational products too at the same time. That's crazy. Now that we have offers, guys, here's what we do. This is my demonstration account for you guys for this channel. I have a whole another account. I mean, I spent over $100,000 in Traffic Junkie on my other account, and it's insane. And I've made back like 10x that basically. Okay, it's crazy with back end and front end and all these offers. So if you want to promote an offer like that, you can direct link. You set up a campaign super quick right here. Okay, and you just name it crypto. Okay, it's named crypto now. And then literally you do desktop for sure, don't do mobile. And then make sure you just do that placement right there. Do mails right there. Do the country it is. All right, so you do United States. Sick. Okay, you add it. Now you're just gonna continue. Okay, and then you gotta upload some ads. You do the link right here. Okay, to the affiliate offer direct linking. You could do a pre-sale page, but in some cases with adult, you really want a direct link depending on, do you think you can pre-sell better? I've got some of the craziest psychological pre-sale pages you've ever seen in your life. I actually give them to you in the Done For You funnels. You can absolutely demolish, okay, with that. Okay, so if we go back here, we can copy the link and we can actually just put it here for the Coinbase one, okay? Now we select some creatives. This is the demonstration creative for this account. Now confirm, baby. And then you literally just save and continue. And now you set your budget. So if it's a $10 payout, you could do $10, $30 per day, okay? And then you confirm the campaign, you're ready to go. That's how you do that one. Now this one right here, this is called ExoClick. Now I didn't explain this. Traffic Junkie, they own, okay, they own literally Pornhub and a bunch of other big sites, okay, big sites. So that's where you run ads on. With ExoClick, you're running on X videos as the biggest. Okay, if you look here, the daily impressions in the billions. Okay, so it's 1.4 billion daily impressions. That's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, and then you also have Pop Under with X videos too, and that is 39 million people per day. Okay, let me see. Oh, that's a banner. That's a banner. Where's the Pop Under? There it is. X videos pop under 23 million people per day. Pop under is insane. It's literally crazy. You guys can get tons of people. I usually do banner traffic, but pop unders I make a lot of money with too. I spend more money with banner traffic though. Okay, banner traffic's just kind of more quality, and you literally get in front of more people in a way. Okay, with your banner who actually see it and want it and click because you get so many impressions. Adult traffic's the cheapest in the world. You can get tons of impressions. So you can make a quick banner, okay, with the right dimensions. You can use Canva for this, and you basically start promoting your link called Coinbase, okay. Anyone who signs up through your link, boom, you make money, man. Okay. And if you build a bigger funnel where you collect email addresses, or you do like a tripwire funnel where you're collecting payments on the front end, breaking even, then in the back end, pushing people to Coinbase and pushing people to all these other crypto offers here, you can make a lot of good money. Okay. And there's so many placements you guys can leverage, and that's why I'm showing you this page here. Okay, without showing you my campaigns and stuff, but literally, you guys can crush it with either one of these. ExoClick is the biggest network other than Traffic Junkie. They're huge. Okay. Now, if we go to YouTube, let's talk about YouTube for a minute. YouTube, basically, it is the biggest traffic source by far and the best free traffic source by far. So you can make crypto content. Oh, let's just type in crypto and see. A bunch of flipping people just talking about crypto here. If you look, you can see they're getting thousands of views. If you make 100 videos talking about Coinbase, bro, okay, every day, you can guarantee you're going to see a lot of views because Coinbase, I'm willing to bet, is the biggest keyword for crypto. The biggest. So, what you can do is you put your affiliate link literally in the description of all your videos, and you can put a few of these affiliate offers inside the videos. And then after you have some content, you can start boosting your videos with display ads. Okay, they're called actually YouTube discovery ads. So you go to Google AdWords and you start making discovery ads that push your video to exact people who are interested in cryptocurrency. And I mean for penny clicks. It's not an in-stream ad, it's a discovery ad. So it's really, really powerful to do that. And another thing you could do is you could make an ad for in-stream, okay? And you can run it targeting people that are interested in cryptocurrency and make a whole front-end funnel that's compliant, and you're not doing affiliate marketing on the front end. And you can run YouTube in-stream ads, which just demolish. If you're targeting the right people and persuading the right ways, you can push people to a tripwire funnel. Okay, I mean like a tripwire funnel where you have your own products or PLR products, private label rights. You have rights to resell these products. And you break even and you push people to all these offers. And remember, YouTube's one of the most quality traffic sources, just like Facebook out there. So you can do that too, or you can do adult as well. Okay, so it's like, what do you want to do? You have so many methods to make money now, guys. It's crazy. This is just one method out of many. And you can absolutely demolish. Okay, so Coinbase is a massive keyword. Just talk about Coinbase and talk about cryptocurrency for beginners and all these things, because you want to have beginners to join in and watch your videos, and then go check out Coinbase, and you can get $10 commissions all day long in Bitcoin. Bitcoin's increasing over time like crazy, and it always will be. So it's like, do it, bro. Do it. You're going to crush it, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video, Learn Machines. Check out the links in the description. You guys will get tons of value. I've got tons of valuable stuff down there. You can spy on adult campaigns with Adult Spy Tool. You can freaking get mentorship with me. You can get done-for-you funnels. You can get huge training on adult marketing and how you can really make some crazy money. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.